Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to turn off TalkBack on the Vivo Y200. Now as you can see, TalkBack is currently on our smartphone. Now to turn it off, just open the settings app. Now from here just double tap the settings app to open the settings app. Just like that. And from here to scroll down on the settings app, just scroll down with two fingers to scroll down. And from here, just tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now from here, just double tap on shortcuts and accessibility to enter shortcuts and accessibility. Now on this screen, just scroll down with two fingers on the screen and double tap on the accessibility. And from here, just double tap on TalkBack and disable this toggle. And from here, just tap on turn off. Now just double tap on turn off. Now, as you can see, we have successfully disabled TalkBack on our smartphone. And this is how you can turn off TalkBack on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.